Muzzaffar Hayat Piracha, who's CEO of Airlink, one of the largest smartphone distributors, manufacturers, and retailers in Pakistan, with a nationwide network of over 1,100 wholesalers and 4,000 retailers. Muzzaffar Hayat, please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. A very warm good morning to Honorable Minister IT, Mr. Dr. Muzzaffar, Chairman PTA, and dignitaries from Ambassador of Oman, people from EDB, and all the industry champions. A very, very warm good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muzzaffar Piracha. I am CEO Airlink Communication, and I am also Senior Vice Chairman All Pakistan Mobile Manufacturing Association as well. So today, in front of all of you people, I must admit that what government has done for this industry and where we stand today. Last 3 years before the policy for local mobile manufacturing being announced, and today I proudly want to tell you all, today 93% phones in Pakistan are locally manufactured phone, and we call it made in Pakistan phone. So this is special thanks to all stakeholders, especially EDB, who helped us a lot, Ministry of IT, Ministry of Production, PTA, all the stakeholders helped us a lot in achieving this and having 93% made in Pakistan phones. My dear fellows, it's not about producing phones in Pakistan. That was just a start. But what was the need of doing this? The need of doing this because IT is a segment which takes the countries to a different world. And we must acknowledge that without IT, without telecom industry, without this telecom revolution, no country can grow in the whole world. So Pakistan, unfortunately, I must say that we have taken this step of local manufacturing a bit late than the neighboring countries. But still, yes, we have already taken it. Now, how to take it to the next step? That is not only fulfilling the local needs, we must look for exports as well. Pakistan is facing a lot of challenges for the balance of payment. We have a lot of trade deficit. And unfortunately, our industries, especially, I should not mention, but I am forced to mention the textile industry. In the last 70 years, we have reached up to a mark of $18 billion exports, which is nothing today's date. We need at least another $40 to $50 billion exports. And we must acknowledge, or we must pinpoint some industry that can take Pakistan to next level. Either it is telecom industry or any other industry. I just request all the stakeholders, just think, if you select telecom industry, then I just want to give you one example. Vietnam. In Vietnam, the global smartphone leader Samsung is there. The exports of Samsung from Vietnam is $60 billion. The total export of Vietnam is $240 billion. Out of $240 billion, $60 billion is coming from one industry. Why not from Pakistan? China's export is $150 billion. My dear fellows, today, we can get a lot of benefit from our neighboring country, from our friend country, China. Because in China today, the labor cost is more than $1,000, whereas in Pakistan, it is $150, or maybe even little less. So there is a big opportunity. And if, because of CPAC and all the projects we are doing with China, if we just shift 10% of China's exports from Pakistan, that will be $15 billion. So on behalf of association, I commit with all of you that if the government really take it very serious and compare with all the regions. Government gave us 8% incentive to this association, this manufacturing of mobile phones in Pakistan. We commit that within 3 years time span, the exports will be 10 to 15 billion US dollar in mobile industry. And one more important point we all need to understand, that mobile is not something that people are doing it, they just want to have a mobile. It's a necessity of life. Now, today's date, you go in any sector. If Pakistan needs a lot of financial inclusion, that cannot be done without mobile. Today, all the operators in the country, they are facing challenges because of low ARPU. Pakistan must move towards 5G. Okay, today, if government is going to auction the license free of cost even for 5G, if there is no mobile, it will be useless. So we need a special purpose vehicle, that is the mobile, which with the help of mobile, you can go to all households, you can go to every corner of Pakistan, you can bring people out of poverty with doing financial inclusion. People can do, the household ladies can do the budgeting. You can change the whole canvas of the society by just involving technology in every household of Pakistan. And it is only and only possible when we think that mobile is an essential product. We have to come out with this idea that mobile is just for hobby or anything. It is very essential product. Today, tell me any one of you who is coming out of home without mobile. There is not even a single person who will tell you that he came out of home without mobile. Everybody has mobile. It is essential, and we must acknowledge this truth, and we must stand with the industry. I request with the government once again to flourish this industry, as already they are doing a lot, but we need to do more. We need to do it for the country. We need to do it for everyone. I just give you an example of my company. We are producing Xiaomi and Techno phones in Pakistan. Xiaomi global number 3 brand. And today's date, Xiaomi is geared up for exports from Pakistan. They are just waiting for the incentives from the government of Pakistan. Today, Airlink is producing almost 500,000 handsets per month and is the market leader in mobile industry, and all phones are smartphones. So we are trying to do our best, and we request you to do your best, and we stand with the government, we partner with the government, we are partners together. We have one goal, to take our country to next level, to have more exports, and to come out of debt. Thank you very much everybody here for listening to me. Thanks a lot for all the stakeholders for being here. Thank you very much. Thank you.